So today we're gonna do the USACO 2024 December contest bronze. We're doing problem 3 is Mooin time. So what this problem basically is, you have n characters, which is 10, and you want this desired frequency, which is f. And we have this string, which is the contest. And you want to find the amount of moos, which is one character followed by two of the exact same characters, but these two characters cannot be the same. And so for example, the only moo you can get is moo, because changing another character isn't going to affect the outcome. But here, as you can see, we have three different types of moves. The first one is AQQ, which you can see here. And by changing the C here into an A, you can get two AQQs, which is the desired frequency. For BAA, you can also see that here there's a BAA, and if you change if you change the first A and this AAA into a B, you get a BAA. And also for CQQ, you can change this QQQ into a CQQ by changing the Q into a C, and then you get CQQ. So let's start coding. So our approach for this problem is just going to loop through all the different moves and try to see if they work. So NF, string contest. So we now have the contest and NF. So what we want to find is the different for char x is equal to A, x is smaller than or equal to C, x plus plus, for char y is equal to A, y smaller than or equal to B, y plus plus. Now they can't be the same, so if x is not equal to y, so if we're gonna loop through all of them, so in I is equal to 0, I small plus 2 is smaller than n, I plus plus. If, let's put a count, int count is equal to 0, let's make this bigger. If count, if contest I equal to x and contest I plus 1 equal to y, and contest I plus 2 is also equal to y, then we know that this is a moo, so we count plus plus, and then we have our count, right? So if count is equal to f minus 1, because changing a character can only influence one moo, can only add 1 to the count, we only have a chance if it is equal to f minus 1. So if it is equal to f minus 1, then we can just loop through all of them. So for int I is equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Okay, here we want to check if contest, let's just copy this. If this is already part of a moo, then we're just gonna add 2 to I, because we don't want to interfere with this moo, because it's not gonna help us reach our goal, right? Because interfering with this moo isn't gonna do anything. So if contest I is equal to x and contest I plus 1, and here we can let's say I plus 2 is smaller than n. And otherwise we want to check if it is part of something. So if I plus so let's check it. So let's start from the beginning. So if I minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, and contest I minus 2 is equal to x and contest I minus 1 equal to y. Let's just do this 3 times. If I minus 1 and I plus 1 is smaller than n, this is just if I plus 1 plus 2 is smaller than n. If I plus 1 is equal to y and I plus 2 is equal to y. And this one you check I minus 1 and I plus 1. And here, give them contest plus plus, contest plus plus, contest plus plus, and here we continue. And in the end, let's put a vector in vector string. And in the end, if count is greater than or equal to f, then we can end stop push back x, y. And in the end, we're just gonna go with cout and size for string s in answer. So let's try this code. What? Oh, that was not good. Contest. Oh my god, I'm being it. Okay, that was my bad. That was not supposed to happen. Let's run it. Okay, that was why did that happen again? That's interesting. That's not supposed to happen. Oh, I put this inside. It's not supposed to be inside. Okay, as you can see, it works pretty well. So let's put it into the USACO judge. And then we can, I'm gonna log in. Log in. As you can see, all of the test cases are correct. So let's log in and get it going. View problem. And let's just download this code. Download file. Let's call it AA save. And then 11. AA save. See if it works. And as you can see, all of the test cases are correct.